Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about combining multiple logical operators. You can combine multiple logical operators in a single expression. Python evaluates the not logical operator first, then and then or. Okay? And also you can add parentheses so that that particular expression is evaluated first. Okay? So let's add some code here. So age equals to something like 25. Okay, and let's add a boolean is student equals to false. Okay, so now let's add another variable has discount code equals to true. Okay, now what we want to have here, so we want to have multiple combined logical operations. So let's do something like this. So the age we have, if that is less than 18 or age greater than 65. So what exactly does that mean? So if the age is less than 18, that is means that person is a teenager. If the age is greater than 65, that means that person is older citizen, right? So if that is the case, okay, we can add the parenthesis here, and not a student is student, okay, or has discount code. Okay, so if this is the case here, okay, so I will just write it down here, and let's add a print statement here like, hey, discount applied. Okay, so what exactly is happening here? Okay, so this one, if the age is less than 18 or age is greater than 65, currently the age is 25, so this will evaluated as false. Okay, this is not correct. Age is not less than 18 and age is not greater than 65. Okay, so that will be false. And not a student, so student is false, so not student, that means true. Okay, so this will be false here. All right, so let's add this one. So let's do false. Okay, and let's do and this will be true. Okay, and or this one, this is the has discount code, that is true, so true. Okay, so now depending on this particular example here, so Python will evaluate the not expression first. So we are not having not expression here right now, then and, so this will be evaluated and that will be false, and then we will have the or, so this is false totally, so false, or true, that will be true, so the discount will be applied. Okay, I know this is a little bit confusing at first, but don't worry about that. Okay, so if I just run the program right now, as you can see, discount applied. So I hope that makes sense. So in this way, we can combine multiple logical operations in a single basically condition basically. So here we are having these two conditions and we are having the parentheses, so that is why this is now evaluated first. Okay, and then we are having the not, so this will be evaluated then, and then we are having this one, so which is basically true, so it will not be evaluated at all. All right, so this is how we can combine multiple logical operators in a single expression.